Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a wedding invitation on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the print section next to the videos button and tap to the cards and invitates option. Go to the fifth option, the wedding invitation. Here you have more options. If you want to add images and more to your projects, just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images, videos or audio files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find images and videos from your device. In the elements section, you can search different graphic elements, for example, stickers, photos, charts, frames, grids, and more. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select one and step on it. New, you can edit this template. If you want to change the style of the template, just go to the template style button in the design section and click that. If you want to change the background color, just go to the white car icon next to the design section and just select another color and done. If you want to move an item on your invitation, just click that and you can move this element. If you want to change the text, just click the text box, delete this and write your text. New, you can edit your text. Click to the arrow next to the beautifully delete button, and here you can search different text styles and font type. If you want to change the size of your text, just click to the plus icon or the minus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.